Hey everyone, Jason C. Scott, your VA home loan expert here. And today we're going to talk about something that may surprise you. Don't trust every veteran that you know with your VA home loan benefit just because they're a veteran. Now, don't get me wrong. By serving, we all share a unique bond. Basically, we've all worn the boots, right? Where it gets tricky is, when someone is served and then they transition into this industry and they automatically assume that makes them a VA loan expert because maybe that they bought one or two homes before. Yes, they may be familiar with the VA home loan benefit itself, but that doesn't truly make them a VA loan expert just because they've used the VA home loan benefit and because they've served. Here's the reality. Knowing how to serve through your service to the country and how to serve your fellow veterans and how to serve through the complex world of VA loans are two completely different realities. So you're probably wondering, Jason, well then what does make someone qualified to be a VA home loan expert other than just military service on their resume? Great question. And I'm just going to knock out a few things, but it's not necessarily limited to just those. First off, let's talk about just understanding the basic intricacies of a VA home loan. Everything from the appraisal. And when I say the appraisal, we're talking about the appraisal process. What to do if it comes in short, or what we call a tidewater notice. What the ROV process, reconsideration of value, is. Those are just three simple things within the VA home loan appraisal right there, right? How to calculate entitlement. It's real easy if you're a first-time home buyer, you've got full entitlement. But if you've used it once before, what's the actual calculation, right? And being able to convey that, articulate it to the veteran so they understand exactly how much purchase power that they have. Understanding funding fees, understanding how what constitutes being funding fee exempt, right? You have no idea how many times I get referred business from loan experts that are my brethren, they're veterans, that say, Jay, I really screwed the pooch on this one. Can you save this deal? Right? It happens all the time. And I've been doing this 12 years. I put out videos like this all the time. I get paid to speak around the country to tell people and show people how to use the VA home loan benefit. But yet, yes, that's why I'm making this video now, right? One of the other reasons that's widely accepted throughout my industry is, have you taken additional schooling specified just for the VA home loan benefit? There's a lot of companies that offer their own in-house service. One of the ones that accreditations that's primarily recognized is through NAMB, the National Association of Mortgage Brokers, their VA home loan certification, expert certification. But just taking that certification alone doesn't make you an expert. It just makes you more well-versed in being able to help someone with their VA home loan benefit. But truly, my own personal thought process is to be a true VA home loan expert is quantity, right? Quantity and quality. And one of the best ways to prove that is being recognized by the Scotsman's Guide, where I've been recognized literally year after year after year of being one of the top 1% VA home loan lenders for helping people successfully navigate their home purchase using their VA home loan benefit. Okay, now let's go over some common examples of misinformation. I just put 3 myths up there, but there's a lot more than this, and we're going to debunk them right now. Now, let's look at some common misinformation that I see veteran experts, and I say that loosely with air quotes, spreading. The first one, the VA loan is only for first-time buyers. Holy cow, Batman. Anytime I have someone that comes to me that has already bought a home in the past, is getting ready to buy a home again, they're like, Jay, I can't use the VA loan. I was told that I can only use it as a first-time home buyer. It makes my skin crawl, because believe it or not, there's a lot of people out there that say that. That is absolutely not true. So myth number 1, busted. Myth number 2, you can't use the VA loan to buy an investment property. Again, it's funny how people take that comment. If you're truly just buying an investment property that you're not going to live in, then yes, that statement is true. However, there's more than one way to skin a cat. And one of the cool things about the VA home loan benefit is it allows you to buy multi-unit properties, meaning duplex, triplex, quadplex, right? And as long as you live in one of them as your primary residence, you can in fact rent out the others, right? So therefore, yes, you can use the VA home loan benefit to purchase an investment property. It's called house hacking, right? Come on. All loan originators are VA loan experts. Now, this is even worse than a veteran transitioning in and saying that they're a loan expert, where all loan originators say, yep, I'm a VA loan expert just because I originate loans. I get paid to speak, and I share this, a little bit of a story here. I liken being a VA home loan expert as in like a brain surgeon. Now, granted, mortgages are not brain surgery, does not require the same amount of education, obviously. However, if you were to get brain surgery but go to a podiatrist, which is a foot doctor, I don't think you're going to get the results that you are expecting. Yes, both the brain surgeon and the podiatrist are doctors and they both have education, but only one of them is an expert. Kind of like with loan originators. Yes, loan originators are licensed to do all types of loans. I do all types of loans. However, my specialty is the VA home loan because that is my passion. It hits me in the heart because it helped me build my wealth that I currently teach others to do the same thing. Misinformation like this can literally cost you thousands. That's why it's super important that you do your due diligence and make sure that you truly are working with a VA home loan expert, not just someone who declares to be one. How do you know if you're working with a true VA home loan expert? Well, they should be able to provide their experience. How many loans have they closed? How many veterans have they helped navigate, the home buying process using their VA home loan benefit? What do their customer testimonials look like, right? And is there any proven statistics, i.e., recognition in national periodicals, stuff of that nature, right? Pretty easy if you do your homework and don't just be comfortable. Get outside your comfort zone. Yes, someone is a veteran. Again, that's a great connection that we have, but at the same time, make them explain to you why they are also a VA home loan expert. Look, I am proud to be a veteran. I'm even more proud to be able to help veterans navigate the complex process of their VA home loan benefit when purchasing a home. If you want real advice from a real expert, drop a comment below, click on the link, schedule an appointment with me, and let's have a discussion and talk about your options. No nonsense, no fluff. Other than that, make it a great day and look forward to talking to you again soon.